Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you an overview of the most commonly used processing effects in music. I've timestamped the effects covered below so you can easily hop around the video as you like. I've also uploaded all of the resources associated with this video to my Patreon page. Please see the link below. It has the Ableton project, complete with all of the sounds, instruments and loops that you hear now. And also at the Patreon page, you'll find the audio files of all of the loops in this recording that you can download and use royalty free in your own pieces of music. Without further delay, let's get into it. Here's the guitar loop on which most of this project is based. I'm now going to take you through the effects that were on the guitar loop. They're all down here on the channel. I've got overdrive, I've got chorus, I've got reverb, I've got delay, and I've got a compressor. Here's what the loop sounds like with no effects, so dry. Let's add some distortion. In Ableton, this effect is called pedal, and you can choose an array of drives or an array of distortion types. OD is overdrive. Next we have chorus. Now we're going to try reverb. Next we have delay. And lastly, compressor. When we turn all of the effects on, you get this. So the first way I'm using panning is on the drum loop. If I solo the hi-hats, you can hear slight panning around the stereo field. In Ableton in a drum rack, you can highlight the sound you want, in this case the hi-hats, and then I can apply this ran pan, which stands for random pan, and I have it slightly over to the left, and then I have the spread at 9%. So what happens is the hi-hats dance ever so slightly around your ears, and this is to try and humanise the electronic drums. The slight inconsistencies of where you hear the hi-hat each time kind of emulates a drummer who doesn't hit the hi-hat the exact same every single time. The second way I'm going to show you panning is by using this loop here that was a found sounds effect that I got from the guitar. This is what it sounds like without any panning. And the panning effect I'm going to show you this time is using automation. When you use automation, you can tell this audio where to go. So if I click the automation button in Ableton, you can see what I've written in. So when you hear this now, you'll see that it goes from 36 right to 39 left, stays down 39 left, and then for this little waveform, it goes up to 33 right. And then halfway through this passage here, you can see that it'll switch from the left speaker all the way up to the right speaker. So I'll let you hear that now. You will need to use headphones to hear the effect to its max. Here it is once more. So the last thing I want to mention about panning is that it is oftentimes used purely as a tool. In the previous two versions of panning, I showed you how an audio signal can be alternated between the left and right speakers. But the most common use of panning is simply to put all instruments in their specific place so as not to get in the way of each other. If you come over here to where I have things already panned, you'll see the guitar chords, which sound like this. Are 14 spots to the left. If we come down to the bass, which sounds like this, and bass along with the kick drum is traditionally left in the center as a sort of foundation for the entire piece. When it comes to the lead guitar, which sounds like this, I've doubled the guitar track and sent one of the signals 33 spaces to the right and the other signal 33 spaces to the left. This gives the guitar track as a whole a lot of stereo width and helps it sit in its own place in the mix. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed what you saw and found it useful, please consider hitting subscribe. And thanks as always for watching. This has been David Kennedy, and I'll see you in the next one.